Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new upcoming highly anticipated flagship iPhone 17 Pro Max might get replaced by the iPhone 17 Ultra. If this potential life-changing update happens, then this would redefine the iPhone landscape. On the other hand, the iPhone 17 Pro Max's new exciting details and new prices leaked before the official announcement. Here's what we know so far. Let's dive into the video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. After introducing the iPhone 16e, Apple is now focusing on bringing some of the best features and specifications to its upcoming iPhone 17 series. The iPhone 17 series is expected to launch in September 2025, just like the iPhone 16 series. The series is rumored to have 4 models including iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max or Ultra. Talking about the iPhone 17 Air, the smartphone could be the slimmest iPhone ever with 6.25mm thickness. The earlier reports suggested that the handset has entered the new product introduction (NPI) phase at Foxconn. To recall, the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro are 7.8mm and 8.25mm respectively, which makes them comparatively thicker. The iPhone 17 Pro Max might get replaced by the iPhone 17 Ultra. If this potential game-changing update happens, then this would redefine the iPhone landscape. The leaks suggest that the Ultra variant will be equipped with a smaller dynamic island, vapor chamber, and larger battery. The device may also get an improved vapor cooling chamber, which will help with heat management. It may be backed by a 4685 mAh battery. All these features are strictly related to the Ultra variant, and no other iPhone 17 lineup. The leaks have also hinted that the device may get some major design changes including a pixel-like camera bar. iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, or Ultra variant will feature a triple 48-megapixel rear camera setup. However, the base iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air might come with a single 48-megapixel camera sensor. The higher variant, iPhone 17 Ultra, is expected to be equipped with the 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display and the upcoming A19 Pro chipset. All the models are expected to run on the company's in-house iOS 19, which also supports new Apple Intelligence features, like Smart Siri with context awareness and cross-application functioning. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to be priced at $1,700, similar to the iPhone 16 Pro Max launch price. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.